Alright, welcome guys, welcome back to Discord Tips again. My name is Shabaz, your host, and today this video will be on how to add name color on Discord. How to add color for different users in Discord. This is very easy and this has to be done in two steps. You need to create a role and you need to give different color for that role, or if you already have created role, you can go to the settings. I will show you that and you can change the color for that role, and then you need to come to the members and you need to click on every member, right click on it, and from the roles you need to give them that specific role so that that color can be assigned to them. How it can be done, let's see practically, but before proceeding, please like and subscribe my channel so that you can get all the updates, all the troubleshooting guide related to Discord. Okay, and one more thing, you need to be the Discord server owner, or you must have enough admin rights to make changes so that you can go to the settings and server settings and make some changes. Alright, let's start the video and see how you can do it. So I will take an example, okay, or probably I would say, let me okay, let me just take okay, do you see my name here? It's coming in orange color, right? It's coming in orange color, right? So let me create a new server, okay, and I give it Discord color hits. Alright, so I have created a new server. So let's suppose if you want to create, you can create in this way, but if you already have, then go to your server, okay, click on the drop down, choose server settings, and then you need to go to the roles. Alright, so here you might be displayed with the role which you have already created. Let me create a new one and show you. I name it admin. Alright, I'm not giving any color, I'm showing you how it will be displayed, and I create another role, and that will be regular users. Alright, I create 3 roles to explain you, okay, and the last one will be what should I name it? Any idea, guys? Let's name new users. Okay, so now we created new server, and in this new server we have 3 roles you might already have in your roles. So what you need to do, you need to go to Discord server settings, and then you need to go to roles, and you will be displayed here with all the role that you have created. So if you now I take an example, admin. Okay, I want to give a green color to the admin group, to the admin roles. So every people coming under this role will be assigned automatically with a green color. Let me take an example and show you. So by here I take a green color. This one seems to be okay. Alright, it's done. Okay, so now we have given green color to admin. So now we can go to the members. We have not added any member, so I take myself. I click here, sorry, I make a right click, go to roles, and give this admin color. Okay, so now you see my name has been changed to green color. Okay, because I assigned that particular role to this member, right? I again go back to roles, and now in new users I give it red color. Okay, save changes. Again I come back to members, right click on the member, and I give it new users. I need to remove admin. Okay. So now you see that this name has been changed to red color. So this is how you need to do for all the members in the server. You need to right click on every member, you need to go to roles, and then you need to choose the role whatever you wish to do. I mean, if you want to give them the admin one, if you want to give as a new user, it all depends on you that what kind of role you have created. So simply what you need to do is you need to assign the color to every member, every roles, so that they can be specified that what exactly the group belong to, what role they belong to. Okay, so if suppose if I have added 10 users in this Discord server, so I will assign them as a new user. So I will go to all those 10 members, right click on it, and I will assign them this role, okay, so that they can be displayed in red color. Okay, hope this help you to understand that how you can change the name of the color in Discord. Okay, how you can change the color name in Discord, and it's very easy to do. Simply just keep in your mind again, you need to simply create role, or if you have already created, you need to go to the role settings, you need to assign a different color for every roles, and then you need to go to the members, you need to right click on them, and you need to assign that a specific role so that they can be differentiated by their colors. Okay, every member in your server, they can know that which user belongs to which role, whether they are admin, whether they are user, whether they are new user, they are moderator, manager, owner. So you can assign different color to all the roles, and this would be easy. You can practically do it. Even you can check the blog in the description. I will share a link. You can click on it, and all the instructions has been given over there. Okay, hope this video help you to resolve your problem. Okay, and please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.